Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Honorable President, Chief Minister Balochistan, Senator Moshahid Hussain Sayyed, dignitaries, Excellencies, Assalamu alaikum. We will commence the event with the recitation of the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فإذا قضيت الصلاة فانتشروا في الأرض وابتغوا من فضل الله واذكروا الله كثيرا لعلكم تفلحون وإذا رأوا تجارة أو لهوا انفضوا إليها وتركوك قائما قل ما عند الله خير من اللهو ومن التجارة والله خير الرازقين صدق الله العظيم.
Ladies and gentlemen, as you are aware, today is the closing session which is being held at the Presidency with the Honorable President of Pakistan as the chief guest. The conference, International Conference of Regional Connectivity in Pakistan and its emerging opportunities, commenced this morning in the Movenpick Hotel, and we had participants from China, the United Arab Emirates, the United States of America, and Central Asian countries. And the objective and the purpose of this conference was to explore how Pakistan can navigate through its promising location geographically, through the potential that it has demographically, and through the resilience of its people that Pakistan has showed during the past many years. And as we see the world becoming more and more unpredictable, Pakistan has stabilized its economic progress, its economic indicators, and is on its way to finding its rightful place in the 21st century. And it is in that spirit that the closing session is being held in the Presidency, where we will conclude this dialogue, which will be the first of many. And I think the timing is very opportune because the Honorable President of Pakistan has just culminated a very successful state visit to the People's Republic of China. And we congratulate you, Mr. President, for a very successful visit. I would like to now invite Senator Moshahid Hussain Sayyed for his introductory remarks.
In the name of the Almighty, the Lord of all mankind, the Honorable President of Pakistan, the Honorable Chief Minister of Balochistan Province, the Honorable His Excellency Ahmad Muhammad Al Jarwan from the United Arab Emirates, former President of the Arab Parliament and currently President of the Global Council on Tolerance and Peace. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, excellencies, it's a great pleasure and privilege for the Pakistan-China Institute, which is the premier think tank in Pakistan, promoting regional connectivity with relations with China and the broader region, to be hosting this first of its kind international conference on emerging opportunities for Pakistan in a changing global scenario. I would like to join Mustafa in congratulating the Honorable President of Pakistan on a most successful visit. And the significance of that visit is that visit at the highest levels of leadership in Pakistan, namely the President of Pakistan, and in China, namely President Xi Jinping, that has cemented the relationship further at a time of turbulence internationally and put CPEC on the track again to take it forward to the second phase with a strategic meeting of minds on a number of issues. And I would also like to place on record, for the benefit of this diverse and distinguished audience, that President Asif Ali Zardari played a very critical role in building CPEC because it was under his watch, when he was President of Pakistan in March 2013, that Gwadar Port was rekindled and revived. And today, Gwadar Port is the centerpiece of CPEC. Mr. President, sir, there are three new realities which show that the environment is conducive to promoting regional connectivity and the emerging opportunities for Pakistan. In the Central Asian region, the landlocked countries of Central Asia, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, they want to be land-linked through Gwadar Port. And that is a unique historic opportunity. In the South Asian landscape, we see a big change after the student revolution in Bangladesh, and also the elections last year in different countries of South Asia like Maldives, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, that there is now a new urge for connectivity, building bridges, people-to-people connectivity, economic connectivity, cultural connectivity, and Pakistan is seen as one of the principal partners of these smaller countries of South Asia. And ladies and gentlemen, globally also, there's a positive change that for the first time there is a president in the United States of America, Donald Trump, who is saying, end all wars. Stop all wars, whether Cold War or a hot war. He's brought a ceasefire in Gaza. He's also talking about a ceasefire in Ukraine. And he's talking of economics as the key element in relations among states. So this is a historic and a new change, which is quite conducive. Here I would like to also mention the role of my friend from the United Arab Emirates, brotherly country, His Excellency Ahmad Jarwan Al Muhammad, because he has brought about the Universal Peace Charter, which was adopted recently in Cambodia in November, where I was personally present. And I think that the Universal Peace Charter, initiated by the United Arab Emirates, is also the way forward to bringing cultures, countries, and continents together. Mr. President, we look to your leadership because of your track record in promoting Pakistan-China relations and also your relationship with the countries of the region to promote this regional connectivity, which is the way forward for Pakistan's peaceful and prosperous future, inshallah, and in which the province of Balochistan, led by the, I would say, the Dabang Chief Minister, Sarfraz Bugti, who's an old friend also, that can be the turning point in building new bridges for Pakistan and the region, especially South Asia, China, Central Asia, and the Gulf region. I thank you all for your presence and thank you for your participation in this conference, and I thank the President of Pakistan for graciously accepting to be the chief guest at the concluding section. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your introductory remarks. I would now like to invite His Excellency, Mr. Ahmed Jarwan Al Muhammad, to deliver his speech. Thank you.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Your Excellency President Asif Ali Zardari, President of Pakistan, my old friend Mr. Mushahid Hussein Sayyid, the most important representative, ambassador for Pakistan wherever we go, wherever he talk. So Pakistan is in his heart and in his mind, Your Excellency. So I really appreciate all this. Your Excellency, we are in the Global Council for Tolerance and Peace are honored to be part of this important conference and also to learn from Pakistani's culture and to see how much we can promote peace and tolerance worldwide, especially according to what we are witnessing now of the escalation of hate in some
है जिसमें आसिफ अली जरदारी भी शरीक हैं।